Hello guys, today I will show you how to install our Commander in a Model 3 and Y build after 21st. It's compatible with the AMD processor, so we call it the front installation. So let's show you how it's done. Okay, so for this installation you need the pry tool that comes with all of our boxes and the front installation cable, which looks like this. And I will show you how to install it. Okay, first you have to remove the rubber seal on the door. This car is brand new, so it will be a little bit stiffer. Do it like this. Then you have to remove this plastic piece and start from the top. Like this. And then pull it up. Okay, next step is to remove this pin here with the other side of the pry tool. And now you have to remove the whole plastic piece, starting from the front. Put it aside and go to the next step, which is this small pin right here. Just make sure not to lose it. So once you remove this piece, you see the connector right here. On some cars it's blue and on others it's white. It might be located a little bit different, but it should be in this area of the car. And the other connector is right here. You can go ahead and install it first on the bigger connector, like this. We have provided additional connectors so you can daisy chain different cables or different accessories afterwards. And then go ahead and install the smaller connector. Just daisy chain it with the existing cables, and you're ready to install the Commander to the end of our extension. Get the Commander and plug it right here. Then you can hide it maybe over there and put everything back in as it was before. It should click in all places, and at the end you should align this piece here like this, and the last one is this one. Just click this pin. Don't forget this piece before the rubber seal of the door. Just put it at the bottom section and then on the top like this, and at the end is the rubber seal, just as it was before. As you can see, it takes just 2 or 3 seconds, but if you guys don't feel comfortable with this installation, you can always go to the rear one and check this video how it's done. So thanks again for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you!